Okay guys, update on the piglets then. So, I think that they're actually all feeding right now. Get you out of the way. Stop you always trying to get involved. So they're all feeding away. There's that one's pretty big, that big fat one there. And then there's all sort of medium sized ones, but there's 2, 3 really big ones. And then there's about 1, 2, 3 medium ones, and then the rest are kind of small there. But these guys are all moving around really quickly.
Oh my goodness.
And they're doing quite well. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I believe, that are very healthy. We have other ones which aren't too sick. I don't really know.
It's not moving.
It's not moving.
The other one.
Right, I'm not going to show you guys because I don't want to upset anyone after the last video. So, oh, this one's big.
No,
Oh.
the other one is big. And the other one's small. I'm trying to feed the milk early in the morning before.
Yeah.
It's not going drinking.
No, they're not alive, like. Aye. Well, there's the hazards, guys. It's a bit sad. What can we do, eh? We've got to focus.
The small one.
The small
This
one,
one,
yeah.
But it's still drinking.
So remember Rose, whenever she was a puppy,
Yeah.
she was smaller than quite a lot of them.
Yeah.
And she's the one which pulled through, so
Yeah. Oh, no, this
sometimes
one's really
the bigger ones need more energy and more food, and if there's not enough of it or they can't get access to it, then their bodies fail. But if you're smaller and you need less, you can sometimes last a bit longer, guys. The mother isn't producing as much milk, is
Yeah.
she? That's what the problem is, compared to what she usually was. Whenever the pigs get too weak as well, guys, they're quite hard to actually, you know, start feeding from the mum and sucking the nipple to get their milk, which is why in the last video I was hand feeding one, even while the other ones were feeding. I had off camera tried to hold him on to get, you know, the natural way of it and get the nutrients and whatever, but he was too weak to even do it. These guys are just licking it from the plate.
This one, I don't know, it's drinking this one.
And then they are being taken out as well to go over to the mum every few hours, really. Every hour and a half, I would say, during the day, and then during the night. I don't know, I think just it's sort of left then from about 1 a.m. till about 5. So there's about 5 hours at the most that they're left without the milk. But usually someone's up either ends. The heck?
What?
This little mini jackfruit just fell from the tree.
Yeah, from there.
Yeah, this just fell from up there.
Yeah.
So it's never gonna grow into a jackfruit now. What the heck, guys? Just seen that flying the ground.
But this one,
I wonder if the pig will eat that.
Piglets here.
Oh shit. What?
Jackfruit.
It was like that one. No, that's cool, wee baby jackfruits. Look at them, that's so cute, like.
You need to cover to become big.
Because then all the way, look, there's an even smaller one there. Wow. It's crazy they grow into these big, massive things, like bigger than my head. Cool. These two have just had a bath, haven't you?
Yeah.
You've had a bath, you're still a wee bit damp. Oh, you've both had a bath, have you? Yeah. Anne's older brother just dragged you into the bathroom and just gave you a big shower, did he? And now you are out rolling around in the muck because you're like, no way, I don't want to be clean, I want to roll around in the muck. Did you get a bath too, Fiona? I don't know. No, you didn't. She's not damp yet. So, yeah. Really? I think we're needed over here. Let's go check it out, guys. See what the crack is. Right, so what is it? What dilemma have we came to?
Nothing.
Nothing. There we go, guys.
Sikis-sikis na lang. Hindi kaya yung ano.
Hindi maglaban yun.
Hindi maglabas yung dayaw mo na.
Hexagon.
Hexagon na.
Sikis-sikis na lang yan, okay lang?
What is it on?
Ganyan ba? Ganyan na.
Iwan na lang.
Ganyan lang.
What is it?
Just, it's okay like that.
It's okay like that.
Like that design. So ano na ang labas niyan?
Hindi naglabas yung dayaw mo yun.
Yeah, ganyan.
Oh, there we go. Yeah, the diamondy sort of stuff going on.
Dayaw mo yun. Yan.
It's like that na lang there. Because it's not showing the diamond there. So we have to do that. But if like have a X, it's going to show the big diamond.
Well, yeah, that looks okay, I think. It's up to you. What do you think?
Yeah, it's okay like that.
I don't really know how to describe what it is like other than that one, but it's because that's woven in little thin materials, isn't it? And then this one's thicker bamboo.
Ang magaling dyan si
It's a bit more difficult to do.
Uy. Dansa ba?
But it is going down that way.
Like that.
There's another one being put on there.
Yeah, because this one not showing a diamond.
So what's happening?
That's
Can
why
you-
I need to put na lang again the other one wood in the top. And then,
Right, so that is happening.
yeah, like that. And this one.
Hindi siya diamond, it is.
X.
Oh.
Ano na yun?
Paano ba yun?
Yan, isang ganyan lang yan.
Like that. Saan na yung ano ito?
Dito.
Ang shape niya.
Ganyan.
Yan, yan, ganyan.
Ganyan. Sikis nga.
Like that.
Tapos ito.
And then where's the next one there?
Sabay din yan.
Dito dito na ganyan.
Ganyan na lang yan lahat.
Ganyan lahat.
Oh, like that.
Sikis-sikis ka. Ang dayaw mo niya kasi naglabas dito.
Well, Anne, if you're happy.
Sa butas.
But there is the X shape, unfortunately.
Yeah.
But there is X's everywhere, so it depends what way you look at it.
Yan, yan.
Or like that na lang. Like this.
Maybe it would be better with just, I know it's late now, but just with those bits down straight, so that it's just little squares everywhere, instead of trying to get a diamond shape. I know it's already done now, like, but
Pwede ba ito tanggalin?
Hmm.
Ayan na lang, tanggalin yun na lang to. Ba't
Yeah.
ha, bahul na, diya.
aye.
Ano makikita ba ang butas? Ay, hindi rin naman pala.
Wala.
Ah. Tanggalin na lang, yan na lang oh.
Ito na.
Para square na lang. Ah, hindi, naglabas ang diamond eh.
Wala nga. Sana po tayo.
Oh guys, I know. It's whenever you're not 100% sure what you want between both of us, really. And then
Oh,
the
kasi papa
effect,
ko, paano
whenever
yung
we
dati
thought it
natin,
was going to
diba?
look like that,
Napinduan
whenever
na,
the way it
may
just
diamond,
looks, it just looks like instead of the little holes with diamonds in it, it looks like, because you can see the fruit more or something. It's hard to explain, guys, but because there's more of like a depth, because of the bamboo thickness coming out, it sort of hides the effect that you're looking for. As where these are all really thin, so you can just sort of just see a flat, and it's really more noticeable with the shape you're getting there. But I think squares are going to look a wee bit nicer, a bit more, yeah, neat, I think, on with
Okay.
squares. And then it's not going to be flipping loads of layers just to get that effect.